Hey guys, so I am going to be teaching for 2 days because at the highest level, precision, I want to make sure I am fully giving attention to every single student here. They've done Pinnacle, they've done possibly the Fast Track Forex, and they are now top level. Many of them are on the 200k prop fund, which is exciting. So we're talking big money here, we're talking serious trading psychology. That's what it comes down to, and that's what I am running this 100%. Come with me, we're going to start. Guys, so here we have a nice intimate setup, and I like the intimate level at this precision level because I just want to really get to dissect every individual trader. It's not so much about strategy now, because obviously they're going to learn very high-end strategies, but what's more important is how they learn to apply it with their trading psychology. So that's what I'm going to be dealing with in the majority of today and tomorrow. And yeah, to be honest, it's going to be a lot more about how their personality affects their trading, because it will, and the peak state that you are trading. So if you're trading with a lot of chaos around you, whether it's in your family or just generally mentally, then you're not going to get the results. So this is what we're doing. And so yeah, and we have a lady from America. Come say hi to her. Danielle! Hey guys, day one over. I'm so shattered. I literally can't be bothered to talk right now. I've had all my energy taken out. Teaching, just so you know, mentoring students to be good traders is probably one of the hardest jobs I ever do in my life. Mentoring on any other level is easier, because Forex is just such an intricate, difficult industry that if you don't get right, you can lose money. This comes with years of practice and years of understanding the market. So to teach someone for the first time ever, they get a bit overwhelmed, and then I have to try and underwhelm them by making it simple and using really simple analogies. But trust me, it's a tough job. The key is in the results we get, and we get incredible results. Day 2 is going to be just as amazing. So stay tuned. Gotta go. Bye. Day 2. I'm excited because we're compressing a 3-day workshop into a 2-day workshop. So yeah, gonna be a good day. We're gonna finalize the strategies, and then we're gonna have a meeting about the trading fund later on and what I'm looking for before we get the funds allocated. That's a big deal. So come along, have a look. So what I'll do is I'm gonna, my period separations, by the way, these are, what today,
Hi, I'm Gurbir, and I'm an analyst at a bank. And I did Pinnacle trading in June, and now I just finished my precision trading. And there is a vast difference between the two types of trading. And I think the main thing is what I found out was it's the mindset. It's less about the strategy, but more about the mindset with how we approach trading. That's something which I learned over this weekend. And obviously the new strategy which I've learned, they're awesome actually. I was doing, as soon as I learned the strategy, I was doing back testing, and I was like, whoa, this one works. So I'm quite excited actually. Tomorrow market opens on Monday, and go back and start trading those strategies. So I highly recommend the precision strategies, because they are the one which are used by the institutional traders, and I think that's where the game should be played.
What period to what period would you?
A solid 4 months.
4 months, okay, 4 months. And before that, it was just on and off trying to get things right, I guess.
I started trading immediately after the Pinnacle training for just over 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And then stopped completely until the middle of August of 2019.
My name is Danielle. I came to visit Fortune Academy these past couple of days from the United States to complete the precision training with Hither Mann. It has definitely exceeded my expectations so far. It has been absolutely wonderful, and I would recommend this to anyone. So if you are interested in joining, I would suggest you get on board and don't wait. Don't even hesitate to wait. Just get on board as soon as you can.
Stop loss times by 10 or not doing people like pairs equals how many, what's the unit? 30 times 10.
Hi, my name's Dave. I'm here at the Fortune Academy event doing precision training. This is my second time round doing the training. And the reason why I'm on the precision training because I enjoy doing the intraday sort of quick trades, so gaining quicker profits compared to the Pinnacle. The Pinnacle trading is where it's more of a longer term than it is compared to a shorter term. So this is why I've chosen to do the precision training, which is, it's really good. I can highly recommend anyone join it because it enables you to leverage and create better wealth and succeed later on in the future.
Hi guys, just finished a 2-day workshop. I crammed a 3-day into a 2-day, like I said. I don't know if I'd do that again because there was a lot to take in a very short time. Plus on top of that, we had a meeting with all the traders that are on the prop fund allocation. Some of them are 25k, some of them are 200k, most of them are 200k, and I tested them on their chart analysis, how they enter trades, exit trades, their understanding of the trade principles, etc. It's a really big deal. So that was so much fun for me because I'm so proud watching some of my students, some that I haven't seen for a long time, nearly a year, and they know so much because we have weekly coaching calls with my coaches Lee and Lucienne. They have their numbers, they get me on WhatsApp for strategic coaching, and it just shows it all pays off because they were so impressive, they knew so much, and I was excited about that. So the next stage from here is to get their trading results in and get them some money, and then we split the profits, everybody wins. It's exciting. So my job is to make sure they make money because everybody wins. So if you want to learn how to trade a £25,000 account or a £200,000 account, which if you're good, we can keep adding to until you get to 2 million, because that in this industry is small money, I suppose. So if you want to take your trading to another level and really make it profitable to a point where you can replace your monthly salary, whether you're in a job or in something you're not excited about, you can do it using just an hour a day maximum. I am very strict about this 1 hour. Don't trade more than an hour. It's like too much. So yeah, that's the whole basis of this. I want people to have more time, more money, more freedom. Then you can do the stuff that you really love, which might just be Forex or create a business or travel, just do stuff that you really, really want. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this sneak peek you've had to precision level training and the 200k trading fund. Until next time, see you soon.